Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video, I'm going to show how to use our internet to learn the Quran. And the website that I'm using is Qur'an.com because number one, it is ad free and there are no inappropriate pictures or videos popping up. You don't have to sign up or install anything. This is free to use on mobile, on tab, and also on laptop or system. So it is very user friendly and very good for beginners as well, and every information here is according to Quran and Sunnah only, so it is authentic. So here, this is Quran.com, just quran.com. And here, in this website, you can search for the surah that you want to read by typing its name, or come down and you have a list of surahs, all the surahs, and you can navigate to any surah that you wish to read or learn. So let us say for now I want to open Suratul Mulk. So you can see here surah number 67 Al Mulk. It has 30 ayahs. So this is also giving me the gist of it. I can click on it and this page will load. It has two tabs, one is translation and the other one is reading. In the reading tab, you will be able to read the surah continuously by just scrolling it. You can also play the surah, that means you can click on it and the Qari will start reading it. You can repeat or listen to the surah as well. Another additional information that you get for each surah so that you understand the surah better is surah information, which when clicked will give you what kind of surah is it, the category, is it Makkan or Madani surah, where did the name came from, when was it revealed, what is the subject matter. So everything, the summary of the surah is here. So this is a very good idea and concept, so you understand before you read what you are reading, or you know what you are reading, or why this was revealed and when this was revealed. So this is a very nice option. You can always go through it and then start reading the surah. When you are reading, you also have word by word translation. This can be done through the settings, and when you click the verse, you have option to read its tafsir, to see its reflections, to see the translations, and also play it verse by verse. Now let's come to the translation page, which has more settings. You can click on translation. Here you can see each verse is given its word by word meaning. Translations, you can also add more translation. For now, you can see my translations are from the Clear Quran and Sahih International. You can also add more translations if you want to learn it in a deeper way and more understand it in many more ways. So here how you can change. You can change and add some more translations that you want. Yes. And for each word, you can also understand its pronunciation. So you can click on it.
تبارك الذي
So not just pronunciation, you can also see its meaning popping up. The next thing that you will see here is play. So you can play the verse.
تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو
So you can see as it is being recited, the words are being highlighted.
على كل شيء قدير.
So this is how you can also do hifth. Next is tafsir. So you can click on it and without having to open or without having to move to another website, the tafsir can be read. You just click on this book option and the tafsir for this, for that verse and for that surah is coming up on your screen. You can learn it and again go back to reading and translation of the verses. Next is reflect. You can see what other fellow Muslims are sharing their thoughts about this surah. What is their tadabbur? What is their interpretation and their thoughts? So this is like a reflection site. You will see some famous teachers also giving their reflections on this particular surah. You have more options where you can copy the text or copy the link and share it with others. You can bookmark it so you can always come back and read it again and again. And you also have option to repeat verse, so listen to it repeatedly till you memorize it. Let's also check that. So you have to click on these three dots and you get different repeat settings. You can click on repeat settings, choose the range which you want to repeat. So let's say I want to memorize the first three verses. I can make it 67 1, that is the first verse to third verse. I can repeat each verse 5 times and start playing. So each verse number 1 will be played for 5 times, verse 2 will be played for 5 times, verse 3 will be played for 5 times, and again this will repeat again for 2 times. Right, so you can do repetition setting and you can memorize the surahs as well. So you can see how wonderful this is and such a big niyamat it is. Let's make use of it and learn the Quran in a much better way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khairan kaseera.